Hey again. One of important thing we have to discuss in this video is faction. So, what do you mean by faction? First of all the files that we discussed before was showing you how you could run any code. The code you understand run step by step from the first line of the file to the last line of the file. But Python is not a scripting language, so you could run the file step by step. The file should run from a specific point in the programming language. That name it main method in any programming language. So to get started, let me do implement to the main method. So if I create here file, I name it main file, and you have to know you have main method to start with. You cannot, from now on next upcoming videos, you cannot start writing just script. You have to have main method that start from it. So if you say main, if you see this is main method. This is just command from Python. That's mean, hey, I want to run main method. Now I need to define the method. This is the main method. This method need to be implemented. I just go here and I write what def, then main, then double quotation. Now any code goes here. That's mean main code faction. So from now on in future, you will not faction. You will not write a script. You have to write all your code in the main faction. So if I want to print hello, I will print it here. For sure you will have error because this faction and you cannot add the code here, should be inside it. So make it this place. So now let me run it and see. Will he print hello? Yes, he print hello. I don't know why I always add W with hello. Okay. So basically how main faction work in Python in this. You have this line and this line will go and call the faction, name it main, and this main have your code. So all your code from future will goes here. So if you have, for example, find age, if I just take this code for find age, I will take it and go to the main file and add my code here. But see, you have this one. Import have to be outside. Import should be on the header of the file. Always when you use word import, make sure add in the header and starting point. Here you have error. Make sure highlight them, tab them, so they start from specific point in the main. Now when someone run your code, he now the start point. Enter his date birth 1990. So here you go. So how the code is run is this. He will first scan the import. This is how the Python work. Then he go to this faction he want to run. He was not able because this is faction. He go to this one and he say, hey, fire this method. He will go to this method and he fire it and he will start execute it step by step. We will go in details and we'll talk how to implement methods in next upcoming videos. Thank you for watching and see you next.